pigeons in here. So anyway, this is what we use for the clinic, for the training. It takes a lot of birds. We have lots. Jessica designed the little nest boxes. They're easy to clean, take the buckets out. Works good. They stay very healthy in here. Anyhow, lots of pigeons. This is the quail pen that we house 400 or 500 birds at a time in. There's a feeder in here. Pitch pens. Clean it often. Where we release the new boxes of birds that come in. You get a little outside look at it. And then we don't recall back into our actual quail pen, we recall into this pen. That way we can transfer them from there back into here so we don't have varmints getting in this big pen. That's what we do.